Good evening. In today's session, we are going to discuss regarding expressway. What do you mean by this? Before going ahead, let me tell you why are we discussing about this particular topic now. This is because in India there are so many expressways, but which is the longest expressway in India? That may be a question tomorrow. As of now, the longest expressway in India is Purvanchal Expressway, that is in Uttar Pradesh, and that is actually built for connecting 9 districts, and 10th district is also going to come into picture. We'll be looking into these pictures also after some time. But what do you mean by expressway? Expressway is nothing but a highway. Expressway is nothing but a highway where the vehicles are moving at faster pace, meaning that speed cannot be maintained on normal roads, but on the expressway the vehicles are moving faster and you can reach the destination very soon. Plus you will have very less number of intersections, and you will also have very less number of exit points, so that the traffic will be moving very smoothly. And if you look at the expressway, they are divided by a strong divider. They are divided by a strong divider which is also very good in length, and where the plantation will also take place, so that the greenery is maintained and the beauty is also maintained. And you must have looked at so many expressways, but currently we are discussing about the longest expressway in India, and that is Purvanchal Expressway. Regarding that, I have information and I am going to show you that information now. Kindly have a look at this. Here it is. So this is expressway, like some picture is there, you can have a look at this. Expressway is a highway especially planned for high speed traffic. Traffic is everywhere, but basically whenever we say expressway, this is basically meant for high speed traffic, usually having few, if any, intersections, limited points of access or exit. On normal roads, what happens? At any point of time, you can just have the access and you can exit. But as far as the expressways are concerned, at very limited points you have the access, and at very limited points you have the exit. Clear? And there is a divider between the lanes for traffic moving in opposite directions. So you can have a look at this. This is the divider. So greenery is also being maintained here. So that will also add beauty to this expressway. Right? I'll show you one more pic now. Have a look at this. Right? Now, look at this. When you look at, currently, the Purvanchal Expressway is the longest expressway in India, which is now ready and will directly connect how many districts? 9 districts. In which state? Uttar Pradesh. Very important. Meaning Purvanchal Expressway is in Uttar Pradesh. Currently, this is to connect 9 districts, and one more district is going to be added. Clear? Lucknow, Sultanpur, Faizabad, Ambedkar Nagar, Azamgarh, Barambaki, Amedi, Mau, and Gazipur. And Balia is going to be, this added very soon. So please remember this one. So the most possible question will be, which is the longest expressway in India? Look at this. But what are the advantages? If you look at this one, after the start of Purvanchal Expressway, about 10 lakh people of 10 districts will be directly benefited. This is one big advantage. And along with this one, mandis and industries will also be set up along the expressway. This is considered as a very important for the industrially backward eastern Uttar Pradesh. So obviously every state, every government will look for the development, especially in the backward regions. Now, this particular expressway is considered to be very important for industrially backward eastern UP, Uttar Pradesh. Look at this. 5 industrial clusters are also being built around this expressway. This is expected to provide employment to a large number of local people. Very, very, very important. Whenever you take up any project that should lead to the generation of employment, especially for the local people, that will be highly beneficial. And with this 5 industrial clusters which are being built around this expressway, so called Purvanchal Expressway, this is going to provide employment to large number of people in that particular area. But what are the industries? Industries related to food products and processing, beverage, refined petroleum products, chemical products, non-metallic mineral products, electric equipments, medical and dental equipment will be set up around the expressway. Whatever may be the industry, that is going to provide a greater employment. And when it comes to, the speed limit is also fixed, but basically on the expressway here, as far as this expressway is concerned, the vehicles will be allowed to drive at a speed of more than 100 kilometers per hour. Clear? Now, so here the Purvanchal Expressway developed by the State Expressway Industrial Development. Clear? Look at the last point, which was very much there in the news. An airstrip has been constructed on the expressway to facilitate the emergency landing of the fighter aircraft. Very, very important one. This is in Sultanpur district. Clear? So this is about the Purvanchal Expressway. Please remember, like this, many topics are going to come up, and any topic and every topic is important for the examination. And kindly keep reading newspaper regularly. That will give you, good amount of knowledge plus marks in the examination. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next session.